So this is the SBL reporting tool for SBL for the purpose of making reports dynamically accessible, especially uh, for giving customers the customized reports, because currently HBL is facing this issue, and it has to go through many steps and individual steps for in order to email the reports to the customers, which are customized and which have many security restrictions. All right, let's go through the portal. So this is our web portal for HBL, and here we'll first log in. So all right. Okay, so it gives us error if the user does not exist, if the password is wrong or the email address is wrong. Okay. Okay, so this is our we have logged on to these are the IBA transactions in which there are many this is IBA account reports, this is profile management in which we can change password, in which we can here you can see many transactions of IBA Karachi especially, and this is IBA account statement report. So it has selected we have to download the report in PDF or send the report. We can send report in Excel, and here we are just selecting the categories which we want to select, for which we want to download the report, or we can review the report, or we can send the report via email. So you can see here the features we have selected. We can only view those features, not all the 40 categories in the report. So the report is downloaded. The report can also be downloaded in the CSV format, in the Excel format, in the PDF format, and same for the sending report. Okay. So here we are now sending the report to Arham on this email in the Excel format here, which you can see, or sorry, PDF format. Now let's see if the report has been sent successfully. Let's see the response. Okay, so we can see that we have a report is sent through the email on the respective email address. Now we'll log out. All right, thank you.